Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you another sensor from the Xiaomi Smart home environment, and that's the wireless one touch sensor. Of course the box is again in Chinese and information is in Chinese. I recommend you seeing the other parts listed here somewhere on the playlist with how to set up this thing. And now I'm going to show you the sensor itself. It's actually a wireless switch. Looks like this. Comes with a spare double-sided adhesive. This thing can be stuck on where you want it to. It's portable, it's wireless, and it comes with a small manual which is also in Chinese, so not too much to understand about it. And it's important what this switch will do, so I'm going to show you its function. It's very easy to bind it with your gateway, and you can add the following scenes. So if I want to do something with it, and it's the Mi wireless switch here, it has the following function. So it knows single press, double press, and press and hold. So single press, then I can choose what to run. For instance, I can control my light LED ceiling light, and I can do a lot of things with it. I can choose, for instance, toggle on, toggle off like a regular switch, or I can combine it with long press to change the color settings or turn it off or things like that. I can start my vacuum cleaner. I can control the air purifier, such as turn it on, turn it off, switch it to auto mode, favorites, cycle through modes, and things like that. And what else I can do with it? So I'm going to click on back. I can add another thing here. Control the air conditioning, or use the universal remote controller and things like that. And also I can run a scene, and when I say run a scene, I can run another programming or turn off a scene or send a notification to device I have pressed this. I can use, for instance, for my kid, if he wants to call me and he's not able to, he can press the button and it will send me a notification to the device. That means call me or something like that. You can use that on an elderly person. Maybe he cannot call you, he cannot use the mobile phone. Press the button like an SOS button. It will send you a notification to device. So you can do a lot of things with that. And the most important things are the if options. And you can choose to do several types when meeting all conditions or meeting one condition. So if it's programming like or and if you are accustomed to that. So you can do other things like timer or when outdoor weather changes. So it's plenty of things like to choose from, and that makes it actually very smart, because I can use another thing like the timer. So if it's daylight and I press this, turn on the lamp on high level, and if it's nighttime, when I press this, it can turn it into a low level light, so it will not burn my eyes and things like that. And it's very nice to have all of that. So actually this switch only provides 3 functions: single press, double press, and press and hold, which is the most important things to know. And this thing is battery operated. The battery is replaceable. It has a small pin that you need to press here. It's a button inside. It doesn't come with a pin. You need to use like a device that you remove the SIM card from the mobile phones and press that switch to bind it. And the internal battery will run for about 2 years of normal usage, which is really good for such a tiny device that will do so many things. So that was it, the smart switch with only one single press. Follow my other videos where I'm going to test the other sensor that I have, and I'm going to show you each of them and what they do. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.